Tilkap Management Institute provides the students with a well-equipped library. Faculty is well educated and also very helpful to the students. The students are very happy with the results of the college, and I am proud to be a part of this college.
We accept admissions through entrance exam like CMAT and ATMA. CMAT is Common Management Admission Test for government seats and ATMA is for management quota. For needy students, our chairman has provided scholarship facilities like up to 30% scholarship on tuition fees, which will be provided through Suman Educational Trust.
The placements in our campus were recruited from different sectors like FMCG, retails, pharmaceuticals, steel, etc. Some of the big companies which recruited from our campus were Axis Bank, Abhyudaya Bank, Next Retails, Loop Mobiles, Airtels, etc. We have also encouraged our students to start their own ventures, some of which have started their ventures into consultancy, real estates, packaging industry. If you want to accomplish your dreams, then choose dreams.
The staff helped us to bind up with the natural surrounding by providing us with the various activities which help us to enhance our knowledge or a talent, and I am fortunately enough to be a part of this institute.
After moving out from this institute, I am confident enough to face any kind of interviews which come across and would be in a position to proudly say that yes, I am the student of Tilkap Institute.
Come to DRIMS, feel it, enjoy it, and then experience the platform that we are providing to our students for their better opportunity in their career and their future.
Have very well qualified and experienced faculties who share with the students their knowledge and provide different insights on the practical as well as the theoretical aspects of management.
Dream Placement Cell grooms our students in 3 ways. 1. Communication skill. 2. Technical skill, imparting leadership quality into them. Through our various management groups, we impart various jobs to our students in various sectors.
Myself, Professor Anju Duseja. I am the placement coordinator of management section of our college. We conduct various activities for the development of soft skills, personality development, English, spoken English, and various other things which helps the students to reach up to the industry expectations.
Currently, at Tilkap Colleges and Institutes, we are running specialized courses in engineering and dual courses in management and business. We would soon be starting courses in medicine, pharmacy and architecture. In the near future, we would also be opening an IB school for the younger generation. In the near future, we are planning to open our own deemed university at an international level spread across campuses across India.
Dilkap is a place where dreams come true.
Our aim at Dilkap colleges and institutes is to become the preferred destinations for students around the world.
We are thankful to our staff, faculty and the construction team for their dedicated hard work.
We are also helping to get the jobs to the students through our placement cell, which is connected with almost over 4,000 companies in India and abroad.
Dilkap is learning.
Dilkap is improving. Dilkap is expanding.
Dilkap is exploring.
Dilkap rocks!